Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kadeja. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So today we're back with another natural hair tutorial, and of course I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this lovely look. For today's video, we'll be working with Ywigs. They sent us their human hair deep wave crochet unit. They're 20 inches long and we received 3 packs. I absolutely love this hair. The curls, the style, just perfect. I love how soft it was, super bouncy, and how natural it looks after you finish it. Like, I'm super excited. The strands were super tiny, and this is just because it blends better that way. And they're not pre-lubed, but how they're designed is to make you have like a natural effect. So all the products that I'm using in today's video will be listed down below. So if you missed any of them, just go ahead and check out my description. You'll see them down below. And of course, I'll be leaving the details to the hair that I'm installing today down below, along with the website where you can go ahead and make your purchase. I'm just gonna go ahead and move right along to the install. So if this is your first time on my channel and you've never seen me do like a natural install, then I always like to separate them and just start in the front. And I definitely do the leave out method because I like it better that way. But you can also do like a flip over method and it looks way more natural that way. But it's all based on choices. So you do whatever works for you. I'm just showing you guys how to install it. I didn't do anything crazy to the back. Honestly, my braids are so funny, but that's for another day. I just braided it, but if you don't know how to braid, I would suggest you check out my elastic band method and just use that approach. Right now, I'm installing the hair, and I want to say these hairs didn't have loops, so I'm just making a knot on them. So I was really trying to do like close-ups, but the camera wasn't focusing, so I'm just letting you know that I'm just knotting the hair. I'm just making a knot on them, like literally just one knot. So I went ahead and added some braids to the section that I left out, and that was the best thing I could have done. I definitely love this look. I love the outcome. I'm just gonna go ahead and do my curls with some Lotta Buddy mousse, and I honestly just love how versatile this hair was. Super cute, super lightweight, and I love it. This is the final look, and I love it. Like, I love the outcome. I love the styles. I love everything about this. Let me go ahead and show you guys the back. It gives us a really natural finish. I just love how soft it was. Like, everything about this was just perfect. It's super cute. I love it. That's where I'm leaving you guys for today. If you like this video, of course, give it a thumbs up. Leave some comments down below. Let me know how you feel about this style. And most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in another video.